Hey, good morning, everybody. It's that time of year again. I got the fever. I got the grafting fever. It's that time of year where I spend an unhealthy amount of time thinking about how I can improve my grafts, do better grafts, what I can graft onto what, and basically just think about grafting too much, a little too much. But I want us all to feel the joy and the satisfaction of watching a graft grow. I want to share that feeling with everyone. I want us all to get successful avocado grafts this year. So I'm going to show you some stuff you can do. I'm going to show you some stuff you can do to boost your chance of avocado grafts taken and to increase the chances of an avocado graft growing and getting bigger and getting stronger. All right, so I'm going to show you some stuff. Check it out. It's an avocado tree. It's about 5 years old and it's flowering heavily. We're here in March. This is Southern California, Zone 10B. I did some grafts onto this tree last month and they're starting to grow out, but when you do some avocado grafting, you're gonna notice about 2 or 3 weeks after you do the graft, you're gonna notice something like this right there. That's Rootstock Competition, and we don't want that. Here's some more Rootstock Competition. Basically what this is the thing we grafted onto, the tree we grafted onto, saying, I don't want to grow this graft, I want to grow myself out. And that's what it's doing right there. If I let this grow, it'll eventually grow and overpower the graft, which is here. Here's the graft that I did a month ago. That's a Kona Charwell avocado that I grafted onto the Pinkerton tree. And if we let this grow out, eventually it'll overpower what we have growing on here. Here's this graft is starting to take. Look, yes. Kona Charwell is starting to take. Awesome. So we're gonna help this along. We're gonna help this along by just literally nipping this stuff in the bud. And look, this looks like it's part of the growing as part of the graft, but it's not. You have to come in and periodically check and really observe right here, and you'll see that this is not part of the graft. It's actually growing off the side. So we'll just take that out too. And what I just did is I significantly boosted the chances of this graft continuing to grow out like it is doing here, because now there's no competition. We did this like mafia style. We come in and eliminate the competition and help out the graft grow. Here's another one right here. Check it out. This is the Jan Boyce avocado graft I did. And look, here's some more Rootstock Competition. So I'm just gonna take that out. There. And what I did right there, oh, here's some more. Here's some more. And then this branch is unique because there's several branches growing out from here, and here's the graft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the top growth of all the little buds on the other part of the branch. We'll take some of this out too. And right there, what I just did is I redirected the tree's energy to go into the graft and push its nutrients and water into where I want this graft to be. And look, it's starting to take. Yes. All right. Let me show you one more example. Down here, look at that. This is also Kona Charwell grafted onto the Pinkerton avocado. And look, sometimes it's hard to spot, but we got to move in and take care of this by taking all that out. Taking all this lower rootstock growth comes off, and just like that, energy redirected in to the scion. And look, it's starting to take. Look, I see some buds breaking through the grafting tape. Exciting times. And just like that, you increase the chances of your avocado grafts taking. Grafting was created by humans thousands of years ago. It's not a natural thing. We have to force it to happen. But once it does, then nature takes over once the graft takes. But we have to do some things to make that graft take. It's really that easy. I like to do that check periodically, once a week. I like to check my grafts, do some graft maintenance, see what's going on. And if I see any of those little buds growing out below the graft, they all come off. And that I've seen in my experience, it really boosts the chance of the graft taking and being successful, especially if you're gonna do it on a mature avocado tree like that really doesn't want to receive the graft. But I hope that helped. I hope that helps you in your grafting journey. And as always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.